Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of portable audio with a review of a versatile Bluetooth speaker designed for both indoor and outdoor use. We all love music, but the experience changes when you can take it anywhere, right? Whether you're chilling in your living room, hosting a backyard barbecue, or heading to the beach, a good Bluetooth speaker is a must-have. So, let's see if this one fits the bill. First up, let's talk about the design. The speaker boasts a sleek, modern look. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around, and the build quality feels solid. It has a durable exterior, which is great for outdoor adventures, and a simple control panel, with easy-to-use buttons for power, volume, and playback. Moving on to the sound quality, this is where it gets interesting. The speaker delivers a clear and balanced audio experience. The highs are crisp, the mids are well defined, and the bass is surprisingly punchy for its size. Whether you're listening to podcasts or your favorite music, the sound quality won't disappoint. It fills a room quite well indoors and outdoors. It has enough volume to be heard clearly, even with some ambient noise. Another key feature is its Bluetooth connectivity. Pairing is seamless and quick. It connects to your smartphone, tablet, or any other Bluetooth-enabled device without any hassle. The connection is stable, and I didn't experience any dropouts during my testing. The range is also pretty impressive, allowing you to move around without losing the connection. Now, let's consider its outdoor capabilities. The speaker is designed to withstand the elements. It's water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about a little rain or splashes by the pool. Plus, its rugged design can handle bumps and knocks, making it perfect for your outdoor activities. Battery life is another crucial factor. This speaker offers a decent battery life, providing several hours of playback on a single charge. This means you can enjoy your music for extended periods without needing to constantly recharge it. It's a great feature for both indoor and outdoor use. Charging is easy, typically via a USB cable. In terms of additional features, it often includes a built-in microphone for hands-free calls. The sound quality during calls is clear, making it a handy feature for taking calls on the go. Some models may have a built-in voice assistant, allowing you to control music, playback, and other functions using your voice. Overall, this Bluetooth speaker is a great option for anyone looking for a versatile audio solution. It's portable, durable, and delivers excellent sound quality. Whether you're using it indoors or outdoors, it provides a fantastic listening experience. The combination of portability, sound quality, and durability makes it a worthwhile investment. If you're in the market for a new Bluetooth speaker, I highly recommend checking this one out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of Bluetooth speakers, specifically ones designed for both indoor and outdoor use. We'll explore what makes a great speaker for any environment, and hopefully help you find the perfect audio companion. First off, let's talk about the key features to look for. For indoor use, you might prioritize sound quality and a sleek design. Think about the clarity of the audio, how well it handles different genres of music, and if it's easy to integrate into your home setup. Does it connect easily to your phone or other devices? Is the interface user-friendly? For outdoor use, the considerations shift. Durability becomes crucial. You'll want a speaker that can withstand the elements: rain, splashes, maybe even a drop or two. Look for a speaker with a good IP rating, indicating its resistance to water and dust. Battery life is also extremely important. Outdoor adventures often mean no access to power outlets, so a long-lasting battery is a must. The speaker should be loud enough to fill an outdoor space, even if there's some background noise. Then, there's the sound itself. Bass response is often a key factor, as it adds depth and richness to the music. Check the speaker's frequency range to get an idea of its capabilities. Consider the speaker's drivers, the components that produce the sound. Larger drivers generally mean better sound quality. And, of course, think about the soundstage. Does the speaker provide a wide, immersive sound, or is it more directional? Let's also consider the ease of use. Does the speaker have physical buttons, or is everything controlled through an app? Both have their pros and cons. Physical buttons can be easier to use when you don't want to fumble with your phone. But an app can offer advanced features like equalizer settings. Portability is a big factor, especially for outdoor speakers. Is it easy to carry around? Does it have a handle or a carrying strap? Weight is also a consideration. You don't want something too heavy to comfortably take with you. Some speakers offer additional features like built-in microphones for calls, or the ability to pair multiple speakers together for a stereo experience. These are nice to have extras that can enhance your listening experience. Now, let's talk about some popular brands. You've got JBL, known for its rugged and powerful speakers. Great for outdoor use. Then there's Bose, which often prioritizes sound quality and a sleek design that suits indoor environments. Ultimate Ears UE also makes a range of portable speakers that are known for their durability and fun designs. Sony is another great option, with a wide variety of speakers, many of which offer excellent sound and features. Ultimately, the best Bluetooth speaker for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Think about where you'll be using it most, what features are most important to you, and, of course, your budget. Do some research, read reviews, and compare different models before making a decision. Thanks for tuning in, and happy listening.